Okay, once you finish this class, I'm going to show you how to get prepared for the Autodesk certifications or work towards that goal. If you go to autodesk.com, you can go underneath Learn and then Certifications. And underneath Learn and Certifications, if you scroll down, you'll see all of these different links. The one that you want to go to is Explore Certifications at the bottom right there. And then this is the page that gives you all of these different certifications that you can get through Autodesk. If you scroll down towards the bottom, you can see that it's not just AutoCAD, but it's all of the Autodesk products that have these certifications. So if you wanted to go to AutoCAD, Autodesk Certified Professional in AutoCAD for design and drafting, here it is here. You can view the certification details, which also has preparing for the exam. So you're viewing the details of it. You can always scroll down and take a look at all of the information about the exam. But here, picking on prepare for exam gives you this huge amount of tutorials that are, I think, I would recommend that you go here and get. They're free. You don't even have to log in. These will give you tutorials for a lot of the different things that we covered in the class. You know, how to draw and edit, how to annotate, some of those things. So I would say, go through these videos. Let me pick one out here. So as an example, application and drawing management, you can go underneath assign and manage layer properties, and they're tracking your progress. So if you sign in, you can track how many of these you finished. You can come back to them. So you'll see that there's going to be a video and then a video quiz and take you through this step-by-step document for it as well. And then at the end of all of these different things that you've gone through, I went back. You can go down to these practice tests and start the practice test. So if you're really looking at getting much better at this, because this course was an introduction to the various components of it, I would recommend that you take a look at the Autodesk certifications and these free tutorials that will bring you through a deeper dive into the topics that we went through. Okay, great. Keep in touch if you have any questions. And as I said before, I am here to help you. So even after the class, you can keep in touch with me and we can go over some of these if you need help. Thanks. Enjoy.